Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Close your eyes and picture an island where two worlds touch. Here, the music of the Caribbean whispers to the beat of American dreams. Puerto Rico is a place that wears two faces, one familiar, one full of mystery. It is American, but not quite. Caribbean, but always something more. It is a land that does not fit into a simple box. This dual identity gives Puerto Rico a rare magic. You hear it in the voices on the streets, Spanish and English mixing like waves on the shore. You feel it in the flags, one for the island, one for the nation. People here celebrate baseball and bomba, fast food and family recipes. Every day the island asks a question: what does it mean to belong? Visitors often sense this tension, this wonder. Puerto Rico is both home and adventure, a place with history in its bones and hope in its heart. Here you might taste freedom and tradition in the same breath. Each sunrise reveals another layer of the island's soul. To stand on Puerto Rico's shores is to stand between worlds. This is where journeys begin, not just across the water, but deep within the meaning of identity itself. Deep in the heart of Puerto Rico, nature holds secrets. El Yunque, the only tropical rainforest in the United States, rises like a green cathedral. Trees here reach up to touch the sky. Ferns, orchids, and bright flowers fill the air with color. Waterfalls tumble over rocks, their songs echoing through the forest. Small coqui frogs sing at night. Their voices are the music of the island. El Yunque is more than a forest. It is a living legend. Locals say the spirit of the Tainos, the island's first people, still lives here. Mist hides the mountain peaks. The air is cool and fresh. Hike the trails, and you might see parrots, lizards, or even a rainbow after rain. At night, another kind of magic appears. On the southern coast, in Bahia Bioluminescente, the water glows blue when you touch it. Tiny creatures called dinoflagellates light up the bay. Paddle a kayak and bright trails follow your hands. It feels like swimming among the stars. Only a few places in the world have this wonder, but Puerto Rico has 3 glowing bays. In Puerto Rico, nature is both playground and mystery. It reminds you that the world is full of wonders, waiting to be found. Puerto Rico's history is a story of change. Before ships came, the Taino people lived here. They fished, farmed, and worshipped nature. Their lives changed forever in 1493, when Christopher Columbus landed on the island. Spain claimed Puerto Rico, naming it Rich Port for its promise of gold. For more than 400 years, Puerto Rico was a Spanish colony. Fortresses were built to defend against pirates and rivals. The island became a blend of Spanish, African, and Taino cultures. Life was rich, but often hard. Everything shifted in 1898. After a war, Spain lost Puerto Rico to the United States. The island became a U.S. territory. Today, Puerto Ricans are American citizens, but they cannot vote in presidential elections. Many people ask, are we American, Puerto Rican, or both? This mix of stories, Taino, Spanish, African, and American, makes Puerto Rico unique. The island's past lives on in faces, food, and festivals. Each moment in history adds another thread to Puerto Rico's beautiful tapestry. Tradition in Puerto Rico is alive and strong. Most people here are Christian with Catholic roots from Spain. Churches are everywhere, some simple, some grand. On Sundays, bells ring, and families gather to pray and sing. But you know, faith is not only about churches. It's in the way people bless their homes, respect the old, and care for children. Puerto Rican families are close. Grandparents, cousins, and neighbors all share in life's joys and troubles. Meals are big, loud, and full of laughter. Festivals fill the calendar. Every town celebrates its patron saint with music, dance, and food. In San Juan, the San Sebastian Street Festival is a wild, joyful parade. People wear masks, play drums, and dance through the night. Christmas lasts from early December to mid-January. It is the longest holiday season in the world. Tradition is the heart of Puerto Rico. It connects past and present, bringing everyone together in a spirit of joy. San Juan, Puerto Rico's capital, is a city like no other. Old San Juan is a maze of narrow cobbled streets. The buildings are painted in bold colors: blue, pink, yellow, and green. Balconies overflow with flowers. Every corner is a photo waiting to happen. At the edge of the city stands El Morro, a giant fortress built by the Spanish. Its thick walls once protected the island from pirates and invaders. Today, families fly kites on the grass, and children laugh as they run along the ramparts. The view of the sea is, honestly, just breathtaking. Walk further, and you find plazas filled with music. Cafes serve strong coffee, while street vendors offer sweet piraguas, flavored ice in bright colors. Artists sell paintings and crafts in the open air. At sunset, the city glows gold and orange. Night brings a different energy, with lights dancing on the old stones. San Juan is history and life together. The city invites you to explore, to touch the past, and to join in the vibrant rhythm of the present. Daily life in Puerto Rico is full of warmth. People greet each other with smiles and hugs. Community really matters here. Neighbors share fruits from the trees and stories from their lives. Even strangers feel like friends after just a few minutes. Food is a celebration. Try mofongo, mashed plantains filled with garlic, pork, or shrimp. Taste arroz con gandules, rice with pigeon peas and spices. Street food is everywhere. Alcapurrias, empanadillas, and crispy tostones. Sweets like tembleque, coconut pudding. End the meal with a smile. Music is the island's heartbeat. Salsa and reggaeton spill out of windows and cars. Drums, guitars, and maracas mix in every neighborhood. People dance everywhere, in clubs, on the street, even into a home. Sports are also important, especially baseball and boxing. Local teams bring the community together. Life in Puerto Rico is joyful and active. Here, every day is a reason to celebrate together. San Juan is more than history. It is a modern city full of life. Skyscrapers rise beside old churches. Art galleries show the work of new and famous artists. The Condado area has beaches, hotels, and busy shops. At night, the city sparkles with music and laughter. But Puerto Rico is not just San Juan. Drive out, and you find other cities with their own charm. Ponce, known as La Perla del Sur, has grand plazas and art museums. Mayagüez is famous for science and culture. In every town, you discover local markets, parks, and friendly faces. Nature is never far away. Even in the busiest city, you can walk to the beach or hike in the hills. Surfing, snorkeling, and sailing are part of daily life. Farmers markets sell fresh fruit, mangoes, pineapples, and avocados picked that morning. Puerto Rico is an island where old and new, wild and urban, all live side by side. Every city has its own story, waiting for you to listen. Puerto Rico is more than an island. It is a feeling, a song, a warm breeze on your skin. Here you find beauty in every detail, in the laughter of children, the taste of sweet fruit, the sound of drums at midnight. Puerto Rico is proud, strong, and full of hope. This land is a lesson in identity. It asks, can you be many things at once? Puerto Rico answers, yes. It is American but also fully Puerto Rican. It is modern, yet deeply traditional. It welcomes you as a friend, showing you that home is not a place, but a spirit you carry. So, if you are dreaming of a place that defies definition, Puerto Rico calls your name. Come, explore its wonders. Let its story become part of yours. The journey does not end here. Each island is a new chapter, a promise that the world's greatest treasures are yet to come. Stay ready. The next dream destination awaits.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.